first, before you put the drywall lifter, use the drywall duster in here. You have to assemble. Okay. Drywall lifter, they come with 3 pieces. First, you got your base. Okay. Now you separate this. That's how you do it. You got a latch right here. Stop right here. Press that down to open it up. See? Now it's all open. And then hit the mark, you go lock it up. Okay, you got your base. Then you have your body. This is called your body. Make sure you slide it right in that slot. Sometimes it's a little tricky. Okay. I'll put the unit in. This way. That's it with the assembly. Open this up. Back up. So you can come this way. Okay. Go front. Be easy. I can put it by yourself. Go lift everything by myself. Give you room so you can see. Okay, what you want to do, you want to put this side on that, you want to flip it. Okay. Basically, you want to put this side on the ceiling. So you want to lift it up this way. Okay. Just lift it up. That's where you got your. Yep. And then drop. Tilt it over. There you go. Now, what you do is hold it. See? Now you got it. It doesn't matter if you center or not. All you need to do old drywall lifter. This has been, I think this has been in use. Hold on. I think this has been in use like 10 years. Get this off. Okay. It's been in use like 10 years. So she'll get a better one. You know, first before you put the drywall lifter, use the drywall dusting in here. You have to assemble. Okay. Drywall lifter. They come with 3 pieces. First, you got your base. Okay. As you can see, putting ceiling up by yourself is not that hard and complicated. That's the ceiling. Yeah. Putting all the drywall up by myself. See? It's not that complicated. Yeah, this lifter, I've been using it for a while. You know. Yeah, this lifter, I've been using it for, I think, 10 years already. I think I'm just going to give it away because it's wear and tear already. And just give it to somebody that can use it. Yeah, just go grab another one. Just go give it to some guy starting in the business. If you're interested, you live around the area, leave a comment if you're interested, and then I do a drawing, and you can have this lift. Okay? If you're in the area. Alright, thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe. I appreciate it.